Students, let's study lesson number 12 percentage. Practice set 30. Question is solve the following. First example, Shabana scored 736 marks out of 800 in her exams. What was the percentage she scored? Okay, so let's solve this. First of all, we'll write let Shabana scored x percentage. Okay, therefore x upon 100 is equal to, here she got 736 marks out of 800, so let's write here 736 out of 800. Now let's find the x. So here we will multiply both sides by both sides by 100, so that we will isolate x. X upon 100 multiply 100 is equal to 736 upon 800 multiply 100. Here 100 get cancelled to each other. Now it will be x equal to 736 upon 800 multiply 100. Here 2 zeros of 100 cancel with 2 zeros of 800. Now let's divide 736 by 8. Okay, 736. 8 nines are 72. 1 left, 6 take it down. 8 twos are 16. So answer is x equal to 92%. Okay, therefore final answer is Shabana scored 92%. Okay, in this example, see what is given. There are 500 students in the school in the Yand village. If 350 of them can swim, what percentage of them can swim and what percentage cannot? Okay, so here total students are 500. Out of them 350 can swim. So we have to find its percentage. Okay, and after that we will find what percentage of students cannot swim. So let's assume that x percentage of student can swim. Okay, we have to find this. Now here we'll write total number of students. Total number of students are 500. Okay, and number of students who can swim are or is equal to 350. Okay, so let's write x percentage means x upon 100 is equal to 350 students out of 500 can swim. Okay, so let's multiply both side by 100, so that we can isolate the x and we can find the value of x. Now let's do it. X upon 100 multiply 100 is equal to 350 upon 500 multiply 100. Okay, cancel this 100 with this 100. So here x equal to 350 upon 500 multiply 100. Now let's cancel this 20 with this 2 zeros. Okay, now let's divide this 350 by 5. 5 sevens are 35. So here 0 0 and again 5 zeros are 0. Okay, so the answer is x equal to 70%. Okay, so here we will write, therefore 70% of students can swim. Okay, and 100 minus, you know that from 100 we subtract 70, that will be equal to 30. Okay, 30% of students cannot swim. Okay, third example is, if Prakash soars Jawar on 75% of the 9,500 square meter of his land, how many square meter did he actually plant Jawar? Okay, so here Prakash soared Jawar on 75% of his land, 900 500 square meter of his land. So we have to find how many square meter does he sold the jawar. Okay, so we'll write as per given. Prakash sold jawar on 75% of 19,500 square meter of land. So here you can see we have to find 75% of 9,500. Okay, of means multiplication. So first of all we'll write 75% means 75 upon 100 multiply 9,500. Okay, so let's cancel these two zeros of 19,500 with two zeros of 100. Okay, now what left is 195 multiply 75. Okay, so let's do the multiplication. 5 5s are 25, 5 here 2 carry over, 5 9s are 45 and 2 47, 4 carry over, 5 ones are 5 and 1, sorry 5 ones are 5 and 4 9. Okay, now put 0, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry over, 7 9s are 63, 63 and 3 66, so 6 here and 6 carry over, 7 ones are 7 and 6 13. Okay, now let's add this 5 0 5 7 and 5 12, 1 carry over, 9 and 6 15 and 1 16, 1 carry over, 3 and 1 4 1. Okay, so the answer is 14,625 square meter. Okay, the fourth example is, Soham received 40 messages on his birthday. Of these, 90% were birthday greetings. How many other messages did he get besides the greetings? Okay, Soham got total 40 messages. Out of 40, 90% of 40 were birthday greetings and remaining will be the other messages. So that how many other messages are there, that we have to find. Now let's solve this. First of all, we write total messages are 40. Okay, and what is given is 90% of 40 were birthday messages or birthday greetings. Okay, so you can see we have to find 90% of 40. Okay, 90% means 90 upon 100. Of means multiply 40. So we have to find this. Cancel 1 0 of 40 with 1 0 of 100. And here also 1 0 of 90 cancel with 1 0 of 100. So what left is 9 multiply 4. 9 4s are 36. It means therefore 36 messages were of birthday greetings. and remaining means that is total messages were, and total messages were 40. So 40 minus 36 equal to 4 messages or 4 other messages we can say. Okay, therefore 4 are other messages. Okay, fifth example is of the 5675 people in a village, 5448 are literate. What is the percentage of literacy in the village? Total number of people in village are 5675 and number of literate people are 5448. Okay, now let's find its percentage of literacy. So the percentage of literacy in the village is equal to 5448 divided by 5675 multiply 100. Here we have multiply 100 because we have to find the percentage. Now let's simplify this. I will divide this 100 and this 5675 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 0. Here 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 left. 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Okay, again we can divide this 20 and this number by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 1 left, 5 2s are 10 and 3 left, 5 7s are 35. Okay, so here what we get is 5448 upon 227 multiply 4 here. Okay, now we will divide this and we will get its answer first. So here 5448 divided by 227. Okay, so here 227 2s are multiply 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so here we will divide by 227 2s are 454. Subtract this, 4 minus 4 0 and 14 minus 5 is 90 and here is 0. Now get it this 8 downside. Okay, now 2027 4s are 4 7s are 28, so it here 2 carry over, 4 2s are 8 and 2 10, so 0 1 carry over, 4 2s are 10 and 1 9, means 227 4s are 908. Okay, so here are zeros. So division of this, answer of this division is 24 and this multiply by 4. So 24 4s are 96. So 96%. Okay, so final answer is therefore percentage of literacy in the village is equal to 96. Okay, sixth example is in the election 1080 of the 1200 women in Jambulgaon cast their vote while 1360 of the 1700 in Wadgaon cast theirs. In which village did the greater proportion of women cast their vote? Okay, we have to find that in which village. Here are two villages are there, Jambulgaon and Wadgaon. In that number of women who cast their vote is given. Okay, so we have to find percentage of women who cast vote in both the village and then we have to compare. So here we'll write in Jambulgaon and here we will write in Wadgaon. Okay, here number of women cast vote. is equal to 1080. Okay, and total number of women is equal to 1200. Okay, here number of women who cast vote is equal to 1360, and total number of women is equal to how much? 1700. Okay, so let's find its percentage. Therefore we will multiply by 100 to get the percentage. See how number of women who cast a vote are 1080 out of 1200, multiply 100. Okay, and here 1360 out of 1700, multiply 100. Okay, now let's simplify this. Two zeros get cancelled with these two zeros. Okay, now you know that 108 is in table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 nines are 108, and this 0 over here. So its answer is 90%. Now let's see for this. Two zeros get cancelled with this, and now you know that 17 stable. 17 ones are 17, 17 eights are 136, and this 0. So here is 80%. Okay, so you know that here we can draw one line, so that in Jambulgaon number of women who cast a vote are 90%, and here 80%. Okay, therefore in Jambulgaon greater proportion of women cast their vote. Okay, thank you.